Draining grease is a hot, sticky mess. Pouring batters can be a disaster. Sugar, salt, and grains are a pain. And when leftovers slop, you're stuck with the mop. Those days are over. Introducing G-Spout, the incredible new mess-free spout so perfect for pouring, it's patent pending. Simply snap on the G-Spout and pour grease and more. It instantly creates a moisture-locking seal on the inside. No matter how thick the bowl or how thin the pan, you'll pour grease away for leaner, healthier cooking. Look at the fat you'll save your family from. Snap it onto mixing bowls and pour cupcakes with mess-free precision. Pour pancakes and waffles. Leftover soups and sauces pour and store with ease. Drizzle desserts for deliciously elegant results. Look closely. The G-Spout special built-in strainer drains pasta, water from carrots, corn, peas, and potatoes. Pour dry goods with precision. Rice, sugar, and spice, and everything nice. Your G-Spout is made of quality food-safe silicone. It's microwave and dishwasher safe. Never melt a spatula again. And say goodbye to messy drips when you use it as a handy spoon rest. Say hello to G-Spout. Order now, call now, or find your G-Spout online for only $19.95. Keep your kitchen clean while you're eating lean. Make healthier burgers, tacos, bacon, sausage, and more. Order now and we'll double it, giving you a second G-Spout free. Use it in the garage, on buckets and cans for mess-free pouring of paints, oils, garden goods, and more. Call now and we'll include the square meal maker. Fit 9 pancakes on your griddle instead of 4. Make crust-free sandwiches that kids will love. They can even do it themselves. Act now and get 2 G-Spouts complete with strainers plus the square meal maker. An incredible $50 value. All for only $19.95.
Go online to gspout.com or call 1-800-825-1363. That's 1-800-825-1363 to find your G-Spout and order now.